Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, Val, and welcome to the new update on SLP. Recently, after the breakout from this descending triangle, we had a nice short pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.006. That was previously breaking other resistance here, and before that had been breaking other resistance here as well. And now it is dropped down and about to retest the previous resistance of the triangle as support. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that we have found another support and resistance. Here we have found this downtrend and resistance, and this is another support we have found here. And this is the formation of another falling wedge pattern that we have formed after the breakout from this big descending triangle. And now the movement is getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this movement. I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Moon River, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Since after 2nd of December, it is moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, rejection here. Almost had another bounce here, rejection, bounce. And recently it is moving at the center of this falling wedge pattern. This time, the pricing could not hit the support, and without hitting the support, it is gearing up. And if it will hit the resistance this time, then it can hit somewhere here, approximately at $0.00368. And in case of breaking out this wedge, we can expect an imminent pump up to the top of the wedge. That is a technical target for the breakout from this wedge. That will be at this long-term resistance of $0.006. And now if we take a look at the targets for the breakouts from the previous patterns, then technical target for the breakout from this descending triangle is here. By the way, we are now switched to the 7-day time frame chart. And here we have broken out this triangle and target is here. That is at 1.1 cents. And if the price and reaches there, then we can also break out this complete resistance on that start from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. And by the way, this resistance line has been previously breaking other resistance on here and support down here in the month of January 2022. And the long-term target for the breakout for this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.